Using a Revi credit virtual card is a convenient and secure way to make online purchases. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use it. Sign up and access your card. First, download the Revi credit app and create an account. After verification, navigate to the virtual card section within the app to generate your virtual card. Review card details. Your virtual card will provide essential details, including the card number, expiry date, and CVV. Keep this information handy for online transactions. Add funds or credit. Ensure your Revi credit account has sufficient funds or credit. You can fund your card by linking it to a bank account or through direct deposits. Shopping online. Browse your favorite online stores and select items for purchase. Proceed to the checkout page. Select payment method. Choose to pay with a credit or debit card and enter your Revi virtual card details. Confirm the transaction. Review the transaction details and submit your payment. You may receive a confirmation within the app. Track your spending. Use the Revi app to monitor your transactions, manage spending, and check balances.